What's up, friends in the dance and fitness industry? Welcome to another episode of the Instructor Playbook by Akanksha Dave, your guide to look back on and take inspiration from my journey and my experiences. Can you believe it? I recently hit the 12-year mark in this incredible dance and fitness industry, and it's been an absolutely amazing ride. So, today I'm not going to be diving deep into any specific topic or insight. Instead, I wanted to share something that's more foundational, something that has been absolutely game changing for me over these past 12 years. Think of this as your little dose of inspiration for the day. I have distilled my experiences into 12 essential principles that are not just random tips. These are core beliefs and practices that have fueled my journey, and I honestly believe they can do the same for you. So, here's the deal. Save this episode right away because trust me, there will be days when you will need that little spark or that gentle push to keep you going. Listen to all of them because you never know which one may hit the right spot for you. Here we go. Realize where your strength lies as an instructor and never let go of that in your journey. Eventually, you will definitely learn all that stuff which you're not good at. But never forget to pull out your positives. They are your foundation and make them your USP. Actively work on connecting with your students during and beyond that 1 hour of your class. It's a skill that will elevate your teaching, and those genuine connections are invaluable. Your journey is yours alone. Celebrate your individual grooves and let that shine. Your value isn't diminished by someone else's success. Celebrate your wins, whether big or small, and have faith that your path is perfectly designed for your growth. Don't let this instill any doubt in your capabilities. Nothing's permanent and this phase shall pass too. Learn to rest it out and be kind with yourself. You may have heard this hundreds of times, but it is specifically true for our industry. The best teachers are always students as well. Take out time to grow, learn from one another, take certifications, and take up different courses and evolve with the changing times. Not every class needs to be max effort. Sometimes a gentler approach is more effective. Listen to your body and the energy of your entire class and your students on that particular day. It is absolutely okay to stumble. Give yourself some grace. It's all a part of your growth. Instead, have fun and embrace all the oops moments with your class. And that's okay. Your tribe will eventually vibe with you. And trust me, there are enough classes, enough instructors and students for everyone to thrive. Just be your authentic self and your people will rightfully be attracted to you. Seize the moment and say yes to opportunities that come by. Even if they may seem a little scary at that moment, your big break may just be waiting for you to grab it. True success lies in what you do every single day in your class and the impact you have on your students, whether they are 110 or 100. Be grateful for the joy that you bring to others and be consistent with your efforts. Everything else will eventually follow. As I always say, take a break when necessary and follow all the fundamental pillars of wellness when it comes to nutrition, hydration, good sleep, and rest. All of it should be an integral part of your instructor journey if you want a long-lasting and sustainable career. And finally, my favorite principle of them all. Your mentors and your gurus will always light the way. Value their lessons, honor their teachings, and absorb all the knowledge that they give you. But be brave enough to deviate and discover your own path. Let their experiences be your compass, but your inner voice is your ultimate guide. All of these have consistently helped me all through these 12 years to navigate all the ups and downs, stay motivated, and have fueled my journey. And I hope that they do the same for you.